Class users, I am going to give you the quick version of how conflict check works, how it can find where clients have additional names. This is part of a process of us refining what's going on with that conflict check, but right now we want to show you how it works. Now, I've got a client here in the demo site called Jet Smith, and if I click on that additional details where the other names are, we can see they've got a second name there, James Smythe. So if we search for James Smythe, I want to show you what actually happens. So I come across to the conflict check and I'll put in James and I do a search. So from the results, we can see that some people are coming up because one of those James or Smythe are in the system, but there is one particularly important one here that hasn't got James or Smythe. We can see that Jet Smith is actually here, but that's not James or Smythe, and everyone's wondering why they're there. But also, surely, as per CILSIS, they'd come up over here in family name or first name alias. Now that is not happening, which is wrong, and we're going to be fixing that. But in the meantime, if you're seeing names under client that are completely different to what you search for, the reason is because they've got an additional name. If we click on that, we can see then that you're taken to the client and you go to the additional details and you can see that you've got the right person. In other words, it is finding the result, it's just presenting the actual primary name rather than what you're looking for, so it's understandably a bit confusing. So for now, just search, and if you get these kind of random names, you'll understand why. That'll become a lot clearer when we get this fixed in coming days.